Hey you guys,
What's good, YouTube? We are back
with another one.
You see it. You see where we at. Look around us right now.
Doing what we do best. We are camping just for a day.
By the title of this video, you already know what's going on.
Yep.
We packed everything into our car. We have an excursion planned. We're gonna be hiking to a waterfall. We might see another waterfall, but just stay tuned. So that's our campsite, and to check in we have to walk down this trail
Infested with bears.
Firewood. This is where we check in.
Alright guys, so for the most part we are all set up. We just changed because we are about to go on excursion number 1.
But we were on our way to one of the excursions and it started raining, so we decided to turn around and we'll just do both excursions tomorrow, make it jam-packed. We'll do all of that tomorrow. We chilling right now. You see it. We got our video going, our YouTube going. We got our speaker, you know. So we gonna vibe out. We gonna make dinner after the rain stop. And that's pretty much it. I will tune back in when we do something interesting.
It's the next day.
It's the next day. We woke up, packed everything up. We made breakfast, ate, and got out of that campsite. We decided to pull over and look at the scenery. If y'all can see, we are in the mountains. Yep, we out here.
We are on a real deal back road. No way. No way.
You might have to park here and hike.
Kevin don't like this. We have to cross over another creek.
Bro, I'm gonna get fucking stuck.
Ow! Ow! Oh!
What happened?
I see it already.
Oh my goodness, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, it's high. That's a tall waterfall.
Right. Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir.
Like slime. No, just rocket.
Yeah, that's like moss or something. Yeah. This is pretty.
Here, swimming.
Are we getting in?
Right.
Yeah, it's cold. Thank you.
It's like not that bad.
Yeah, it's not
like,
terrible. I want to be over there where it's like, we're gonna walk around. Yeah, I'm free. There's little fish right there. Little tadpole. They carved their names all up and down that thing. Hold on, let me show them something. It's like they carved their names. I got my knife too, but we ain't gonna do all that. Do not fall. Don't do that. We decided to hike all the way to the top of the... Well, this is not even the top. This is not even the top, babe. You can go up higher. Oh. I say let's go up higher.
This is the swimming hole.
This is the real swimming hole. She said, yeah, you can get in the water, but it ain't nothing like this. Oh.
How do we get over there?
We gotta get it. Yeah, that's how you get over there. Step on here. We made it to the real thing.
Right. The real thing.
Right. Oh, yeah. That thing dipped down. Hold on, you gotta hold this. Oh, that's cold. Bro, it's so freaking cold. Wait, it's cold as crap. Yeah, that moment. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God, that's enough of that. You about to get in? Yes, sir. Yes. 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 It's so cold. It feels so good. It feels so good. Yeah. Yeah. That was fun.
That was the best.
Now, let's
That
go.
water is really cold but refreshing. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like
I do feel rejuvenated.
like, I feel good.
Yeah, I feel really good. But that was too
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Too
Bring on
good.
the sun.
So, let's go see what this next one's talking about.
Yep. All right, guys, we have made it to the second waterfall.
Yep. And this one we have a longer hike. So,
We have a little bit of a hike, guys.
how long is this hike, babe?
6 miles.
6 mile hike.
Round trip.
Round trip. So 3 miles there, 3 miles back. Panther Creek.
Mile 0.
Yep. Now, is this your first hike?
This is my first hike.
Yep. We got my little book bag, my little pack full of our snacks. Yeah. We're out here just enjoying the nature and stuff.
Enjoy the hike.
Off to the side of the trail.
Be friendly.
Oh, I'm fine with dogs. I have dogs. Hey. Hey, buddy.
I love bulldogs. They so cute.
Little difficult part. Nice going first. She's so brave, boy. What? Ooh.
Like, who do you go after when goes down? We're gonna let them go ahead, buddy, and then let's just take another club. Huh?
Cool. That's good job, babe.
Imagine waking up to this every day.
Right. I could totally camp here overnight.
Right.
Yep, first mile. Mile 1. On we go. We got to cross. Oh, I'm glad they have signs.
Right.
Yeah. You got it? Why your hands so dirty? What you grab onto?
he tried to give us a little detour. I don't think that was easier.
I don't think I like that one.
I don't think I like that one.
We got another stream crossing, but it's a little extreme, as you can see.
Oh
you want to go right here? There you go. There you go. Now I get to take the scenic route.
This trail.
This is
extreme.
Yeah, this is extreme. Not a,
Oh my god.
well, not extreme, but it's a real deal trail.
Yeah, it's a real deal. It's some real deal. We are halfway through our hike.
Yep. You ready?
Yeah.
Jeez.
We made it, well, almost. We're
Point
almost
to it.
there.
It's down there. And I see the beach with people over there. We on the way down there, y'all.
We thought it was 3 miles.
But it's only 2 and some change.
2. Yes, we finally made it after about 2 hours. A treacherous hike.
It was kind of a long hike. It took us 2 hours to hike 2 miles. But we made
the view is amazing.
it is amazing. Look at this, y'all.
All right, we're about to get on it.
Man, there's little fish down in there. Boy, this is crazy. I know it get deep over there. They skipping rocks. There you go. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm coming.
We are out here.
Big waterfall. Boy.
The water was cold, but it feels really good.
We made it to the mouth. We made it to the mouth. But it's slippery. It's slippery, babe. Boy, oh my God. Wait. Oh, that's violent. Boy! Oh my God! She said, I gotta get out of here.
As you can see, we made it back. We're in the car. We are on the way home. The hike back was a hard one. It was a hard one. I feel it.
Yeah, it was about 4.2 miles round trip.
The hike there was not that bad at all.
back.
That thing back.
Did it to her. But leave a like, comment, and subscribe if y'all enjoyed this one, and we will
See you on the next one.
no doubt.